Hey guys, hi. I can see many people joining me and I am so happy here. Wow, 18 people has joined me. Hi, hi everyone. 23 people. Wow. So guys, before we take this, I just want to wait for a few minutes to let people join. And hi Neha, thanks for joining me. Hi Pooja. Hey, hi Jalak. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. So guys, first I want to thank you all for joining me here and keep supporting me. And I really I'm very nervous right now. I don't know what to say, but you guys had made my journey so far so wonderful. It's just because you guys were with me, keep on supporting me. That's why I'm here right now. So I just want to thank each one. So now I just want to let you guys know why we are live today. So any guesses? We have already got so many guesses, like it's going to be a launch, or it's going to be a sale, or it's going to be a contest, or it's a DT call. So any guesses right now? So girl behind, yeah. So any guesses guys? 40 people are here. Wow. Hi Aditi. New launch. Yeah, new launch. DT call. I know. Yeah, Aditi, you know. Yeah guys, so this is a new launch today. We are having a new launch today. So anyone can guess the theme. What would be the theme of the new launch? Website launch? No? Should I tell? Yeah, Shivani, you can go ahead. But wait for the excitement. Contest plus GT call. No, not now. So guys, it's a new launch. It's a new launch of a paper pack. So anyone can guess the theme. I want you to guess the theme. It's a new launch of paper pack. So guys. Christmas. Okay. Can I? Yes. Christmas. So guys, as many have told Christmas, Diwali. Okay, no. Okay guys, I just want to quickly show you a glimpse of it, what it is, so you guys can see. So did you guys like this glimpse? No, it's a birthday paper pack. So can you see this? It's so pretty. I love this paper pack. So it's a birthday treat, birthday paper pack. So before I show you this, I have something more special to show you. It's made, I'll just turn my camera so that you guys can see what I have to show you. So guys, can you see this? Can you see this? So this is an inspiration project made by Shruti Selvaraj, Go Crafting, our guest DT member. What she has made using our new launch paper pack, and I am totally loving this. This is totally incredible what she has done, the creation, the ideas, and hats off to her talent. So can you see this? Can you see this flowers, cute little flowers? And look at this small cute little truck with the pastries over here and a small brooch written sweet treat. So guys, a small twist in this. So this can be rotated like this. So can you see it's written happy birthday? So it's a birthday pack, and the name of the pack is It's My Treat, and I totally love the creation. The way she has used the paper pack is just amazing. It's just amazing. Let me just show you the overview of it. And I don't know what she has added here. It's a sequence, but below that she has added something, some of the sparkles. I think it just turned out to be the perfect one. Shruti, hats off to you. You have done a very great job, and I am really proud to have you and all my DT members. I am really proud to have you guys in my team. So now let me just show you the creation first. So before showing that, look at this one. So guys, can you imagine? So this is one page from our paper pack, and I totally love this one. And look at the creativity she has done. She has used the paper pack totally, and I love this. So now let me just keep this aside and show you this one. It's a cute mini album. So is my video delaying, guys? Guys, is my video delaying? So guys, okay, fine. Can you see this? She has tried giving 3D effect over here with all the cute little elements available in our pack, and she has tried a shadow box, and look at this one. She has added charms to it, and I love her creativity, the way she has crafted. No, it's just so awesome. Guys, I can see in laptop that the video is getting delayed. Just let me know, is it getting delay? Guys, just let me know once, is it getting delay? Okay, cool. Thank you, Go Crafting. Thank you, Shruti, for telling me. So I'll just show you this creation quickly, and I will take you to the paper pack. So look at this one. So she has used the creativity, and she has tried to make total proper use of the paper pack, and I totally love the way she has made. So she has added lots and lots of flaps into it, and there's lots of space for the photos. So you can see, by seeing the creation, you can find how our paper pack is going to be. So I will just quickly show you all the pages, what she has done. I really love it. So here you can tugging a photo mat, and look at this one, the birthday cake. This is the main element of our paper pack, and this page is so awesome. You will totally love it. So you guys can see this. Again, a flap, and lots of room for photos. So the way she has used the paper pack, I am totally like wow. So lots of tags. So we have given this tags in this paper pack, like you need not cut. It's in the given, the shape is given in the paper pack. So can you see, she has added a magnetic effect over here, and it opens up like this. So you have lots of space for the photos, and look at this one, the design. It's so awesome. I love this paper pack to the extreme. This one is my favorite, and we have lots and lots of tags. So This paper, you will love it. I'll just show you how it holds lots and lots of elements. And look at this one, lots and lots of flaps and a space for photos. So guys, how is the creation? Are you guys enjoying this? So look at this one, it's so awesome. The way she have made use of the paper, I just love her. Like, words are not enough to describe her creativity. I love the way she has made the cake. And look at this, a small belly band which has lots and lots of tags. And this one, again a flaps and a cute little cupcake. It's a motif. So this one, so look at this one, a cute little motif, ice cream cone. So you can tug in a photo mats over here. So it's just an inspiration project, guys. I just want to show you that how our paper pack has made, and obviously her creativity, her talent has justified our paper pack, and she just deserves all the credit. So I just love the way she has made the front part. So now I will quickly take you to the paper pack. I'll just keep this apart. Once again, I just want to show you the cake she has made. It's like yummy. So guys, now I'll just show you the paper pack. So as usual, we have 3 sizes, 8x8, 6x6 and 12x12, and also motif sheets. So I'll show you motif sheet at the end. So before that, I'll just show you the paper pack. So guys, are you enjoying this? Was this expected one? So gorgeous. Thank you. So guys, look at this one. This is the front page, as you have already seen it. So as usual, it's 300 GSM paper pack, and the name of the pack is It's My Treat. 10 unique designs, 2 sheets per design and 2 tag sheets we have. And as you have seen the cover page, it's so awesome. This time we tried this page to be different from all. So now let's get into the papers. So look at this one, guys. Is it visible? So look at this page. It's so beautiful. Look at those flowers, those lights, and the birthday hangings, those cherries over there, and some of the polka dots and the shades. It's so pretty. I love this paper so much. So you can see, silent killer, who told that? K2 Craft, thank you. So we have 2 sheets in this, and the second one, see, this one is the cute part in this. So a small floral part over here which has cute little elements around with polkas, balls and hearts, and some of the cupcakes, cone, ice cream cones and macarons. And this is the best part of this paper pack. So the birthday cake. So this is the best part. I hope you guys are liking it. So now this is the third page. So I try to keep this simple because we need to balance it, and it's a plank which has a lighting and some of the florals into it. And look at this one, guys. This one. So I tried adding some of the cute little trucks into it, like a pastry truck and a girl with a scooter with lots of gift box, and a donut truck and an ice cream truck, and also a coffee truck. So this page is so pretty by itself. You can see how pretty the color combination and those florals, it's making the paper so beautiful. So I love the way this paper has turned out. And look at this one, guys. I told you that it holds lots and lots of cute little elements. So like you cannot count how many are there. There are lots and lots of elements into it. Look at those cute little trucks, cupcakes, donuts, berries, hearts, balls, candies, and the main element of our pack, the cake and the ice cream cone, and some of the flowers around, lollipops, sweet candies also we have, but I cannot find right now where it is. Yeah, here it is, sweet candies. So lots and lots of elements into it. This paper is so awesome, so beautiful. And look at this one, guys. This one is so awesome. Cuteness overloaded. Thank you. Look at this one, guys. I love this part. I'm like, when I was designing this, I have no thought what to do. Just I took, like, I love those elements and I just tried to make something like a cafe style, where it's a space where 4 cafes are there and some of the tables and chairs around, and those cute little trucks are going here and there, and it's a day scene, like evening scene, where you have the lighting, a birthday party type. So it has a signboard and a floral around. So this paper, I love this paper. I have no words to say this paper. It's so pretty. Look at those cute little shops. They are really very pretty. I love the way this paper has turned out, and look at those cute little florals at behind and those boundaries. It's a perfect treat for the paper. And look at this one. It's a simple stripes, where we have some of the elements here and there. It's in colorful. So for birthday, it's a perfect one again. So we have lots and lots of cupcakes into this. So you can see we have lots and lots of cute cupcakes here. I love this one. And this page is something different from all we tried. Like we did not want the polkas and stripes to be like too much, so we tried something in rectangle and square, and it turned out to be the best. As you can see in the cake, she has done the great job. And this is the last page. So look at this one. There are some of the cute cupcakes around the florals and some birthday party type, and at the top we have the florals and some of the birthday hangings, birthday caps, lollipops, and lots of cute little elements all around. So we tried something beyond using only the birthday cap or the balloons or the candles. Something beyond that we tried this time, and I just love the outcome. So look at this tag sheet we have given you in the shape, so that you can just cut and you just need to punch and you can use it directly. So these are the few tag sheets we have in this. And even this one, look at this one. It's written happy birthday, some of the sentiments, and look at those brooches. You can just cut and use it in your project just like that. And again, some of the tags, it's written happy birthday. So this is the paper pack we have launched today. And now let me just show you the motifs. So this time we have 4 motif sheets in a pack, as we felt that it's 2 motifs are not enough for this pack, as we have lots and lots of element into it. So we have 4 motif sheets. It's of A4 size. So as you guys can see, we have those cute little trucks and those cute little shops, and also those signboards and have seen so many birthday theme paper pack, but this one is totally unique and awesome. Thank you, Craving. Literally boom one. Everything is included. Thank you, Tina, Craft Tina. So this is the motif sheet 1, 2. This is the second sheet where we have cakes and lots of leaves and some of the elements here. And also look at this umbrella which we have used in the first sheet, and some of these leaves around, and those heart shapes, macarons here, and berries, and here something like lollipop, cone, and the boundary, birthday caps, cupcakes, candies, so many elements this time. And oh, I'm sorry. And look at this, the main thing, the floral. We have given lots of floral and leaves this time, and sentiments, lots of sentiments as well. So this is a perfect paper pack. It's my treat. So guys, we have this 4 sheets, motif sheets in this paper pack this time. So you guys will love it. Do try your hands in this. And guys, can you believe we have one more launch? Now I want you guys to guess what it is. We have one more launch. So I'll just take this apart. It's really awesome and unique. So before I do the second launch, I want to read some of the comments I have missed. So my son is seeing with me. He is loving the motif sheet with all the trucks. Thank you. It's amazing. Floral are always love. Yeah, it's always. This pack makes me crave desserts. Wow. So guys, I'm so happy with your response, and 33 people are with me right now, and I am so happy with that. So guys, now let's not waste time and get into the second launch. Can you guys guess what is the second launch? In love with the paper pack and the motif sheets. Thank you, Manisha. Christmas. Okay, Christmas, wedding. More guesses, guys. Guys, we are trying really very hard to design the paper packs, as like literally it takes time, and we are like so happy with the outcome. I hope you guys are loving it. Love theme. No, it's a Christmas. Yes, it's a Christmas theme. So can you guess the size we have in the Christmas theme this time? Yes, you can. Yes, go crafting, you can. So guys, I want you to guess soon. Fast. So we have Christmas theme this time, but can you guess the size? Santa. A4 size. How the craft craving is answering everything right. Yes, we have A4 size this time. So I just want to show you the glimpse first. So as you can see this one. So this is the A4 size paper pack for the Christmas we have. Before showing this, I just want to take you to one more creation from Go Crafting, Shruti Selvaraj. Again, she has done an incredible job by making this creation. So I just want to show that first. So she has tried. I just don't want to say, I just want you to see it. So you guys can see this. Can you see this, guys? So this is the creation made by Go Crafting, Shruti Selvaraj. Again, she has done this so beautiful. It's like out of words. So can you guys see? Guys, do cheer her up. She has done an incredible job, and I just love the way she has crafted. She has used those motifs and the cute little gift box. It's made with the paper pack itself. I cannot believe how can she make this cute little boxes, and it has taken lots and lots of efforts for her to make this, and can you believe she is given a 3D effect for this bonfire. And there is a cute little fire type glowing inside. Just a second. So can you see this? So what she has done is like superb awesome. And look at those 3D type hangings around. So this is a 3D project, and I love the way she has made this. All credits to you, all hats off to you, Shruti. I love the way you have done. And now I'll just quickly take you to the creation. It holds an album. So let me just quickly show you the album. I'll just keep this side, and look at this one. It's speechless. Yes, speechless. I am speechless by seeing her creation. She has put all her efforts to make this in a very short period, and I love the way she has come out with every small detailing works. So she has added a shaker over here, and look at this one, guys. So it's written Merry Christmas, and she has added some something over here, like it's a spring which gives a 3D effect. And look at those cute little motifs she has used. And look at this one, something different she has added here. And look at this page, the back side of it. It's so awesome. So I will quickly take you to this creation. It's a cute little mini album. The way she has crafted is so awesome. So look at this stamp. It's from our paper pack itself, and she has used it as like this, and I love the way she has used. She has added a pocket with a photo mats over here, and look at this cute little boy. So again a photo mat here, and look at this, the way she has crafted and used the paper pack. I just love it. And look at this one, she has added a small sentiment, and look at this paper. So I love the way she has done. All credit to you, yaar. Hats off to your talent. So again a pocket which holds a photo mat. Look at this. And again a small cute little stamp with a Santa over here. And again it gets opened up like this. It has a magnetic effect. And again it holds a pocket. It's written peace. And look at this page. This page is so pretty. So look at this one, guys. It's inside the scene. So she tried making this inside scene in her 3D project just like this. So I just love the way she has made. So it comes up like this. So you can see the inside scene of the paper pack. So inside scene of the home. So she just tried to make that 3D in 3D, and I love it. So look at this one. It's very cute paper, and the way she has made it holds a belly band where she can tug in lots and lots of photo mats. So you can see this one. Shruti, you have done a great job, yaar. I cannot express in words. I am lacking. Look at this one. The way she has made, no, it's just speechless. It's a small mini album, but the way she made, it's like wow. And a small photo mats over here. So again a flap with a magnetic effect, and it's written the most wonderful Christmas. So look at this. Look at this one. This is the cutest one. it opens up like this. I'll show you in the paper pack, you will know how it is. And look at this one, it's a city theme, like we have tried something giving a city effect. So we just love the way she have made this paper. She have made the use of this paper, and I'll just keep this now aside. Before keeping this aside, I just want to see your comments. What an amazing idea. Hey, beautiful. Thank you everyone. She has done an amazing work, seriously. Yes, seriously, she has done an amazing work in a very short period. Crafting movements, thank you. And great work. Oh wow, what an amazing idea. Yeah, she has done, like, it's like incredible what she has done. So now I will just quickly take you to the paper pack. So as you have seen, this is the paper pack. Let me keep this side. So we have this in A4 size, as you guys can see now. It's written the perfect Christmas and 10 unique designs, 2 sheets per design, and 20 sheets in a pack. So it's 300 GSM as always. Even A4 size, we did not want to compromise with the quality, so it's A4 size. So now let me just show you the papers. So look at this first page. I love this page. Look at the engine over here, the Santa and the boy. You have seen how she has used that element in her in her creation. So this is the first page. We have only A4 size in this paper pack. Like in Perfect Christmas, we have only A4 size, no other sizes. But in It's My Treat paper pack, we have all the 3 sizes: 12 by 12, 8 by 8, and 6 by 6. So this is the first page, and this is the second page. As Christmas is like without red, green, it's totally incomplete. So we try to give something in red. This checked type and some of the snowflakes here and the leaves. And look at this page. This is something like, wow, a city scene where a glowing moon and the Santa over there with a sledge, and some of the scripting here, as you guys can see. So this is a superb, like a perfect Christmas paper pack. So look at this one. It has some cute elements here and there, and I love the color combination: green and red, black and white. So again something in stripes. And look at this page. Look at this page. It's so pretty. Look at those cute little bells and hangings, those leaves. And look at this one. It's just a imagination that we had, and we just wanted to put it in the paper pack. So we have tried all our ways, and we have failed many times to come out with the perfect design. And it's all hats off to my sister. She has done this paper pack designing. She is the one who has made this. So look at this page. This page is so pretty. Like, it has scripting, it has some of the elements. Look at the Santa holding the lamp and house. So this is something beyond words. This paper is so awesome. And look at this page. Look at that cute little home and the what is that? What we call this as? I forgot the name. Snowman. Yeah, snowman. So look at this one. The cute little hangings. So this is one more page, and look at this one, the inside home scene, where we have a bonfire, a Christmas tree, and lots of gift boxes, a chair, and a window where the snowfall is happening outside, and it's a perfect Christmas evening theme. So we tried so hard to make this theme, all imagination into a creativity. So look at this page. This page is so pretty. Look at the shop and the boy standing over here, and a signboard where it's written Christmas Town, North Pole, a better place, heaven, and a Christmas tree over here, and some of the scripting and some of the sentiments like Merry Christmas, the most wonderful Christmas, and a Santa over there with kids. So I love this paper pack so much. It has turned out like perfect Christmas, and I hope you guys have loved this. And I also have something to show, that is, we have motif sheets in this as well, separately, not with the pack, separately. We have 4 motif sheets in a pack, as you can see, 4 sheets in a pack, the perfect Christmas. So we have given lots and lots of elements into it, so that you guys can no compromise in making something, creativity. And look at this, some of the sentiments, the igloo over here. And did you notice this, the round trip in the first page of the paper? One second. So this one second. So have you noticed this round trip ticket? It's been inspired from the Polar Express, the movie. I don't know how many of you have seen that movie, but this is the main element. This was the main element in the movie, so we tried to take that element and put in our paper pack. So here is the round trip tickets over here, and the snowman, Santa, some of the bells, the charms, the chair, and the igloo over here. And look at this one. We have some of the cute stamps here. And some of the leaves and the berries, and also the Santa. So you can see the clarity. It's so perfect. And the lamp. So this is the 4th motif sheet. So we have given 2 signboards, and the socks, and the bonfire. So what she has done in this bonfire, she has cut the center part and she gave a 3D effect. I love the idea that she has done with this bonfire. Shruti, all hats off to you. Yeah, how much ever I say, it's not enough. It's beyond words what you have created. Both the creation is totally out of the box, and I love the way you have used. So this is the element sheets for the perfect Christmas paper pack. Now I want to, okay, one second. Now I just want to read all the comments. I am super excited to read them, as I missed when I was explaining. And also the crack looks so amazing into this paper. Thank you 143 Crafts. So guys, how was this? Was this a treat to your eyes? Did you enjoy this? Always go crafting, always. You have done really an awesome job. Awesome. I lack in words totally. So guys, now I just want to know your feedback. Did you enjoy this live? Before we end, we have some more things to announce. The sheets are so pretty. Love them. Thank you. Your hard work shows in both this pack. Thank you, Niharika. totally loving it. Thank you, Palak and Shivani. It's really a treat. Thank you, Crafting Ideas. Both the packs are really amazing. Thank you, P Creation. Cute. Thank you so much. Both the paper packs are adorable and the work done is superb. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Now I just want to tell you about the collection kit. And also the price of the paper pack. So 8 by 8 sorry 12 by 12 pack of It's My Treat paper pack 12 by 12. It's the price of this pack is $4.99 and 8 by 8 is $3.20. 8 by 8 is $3.20 and 6 by 6 is $1.80 and the motif sheets are $1.20. So guys, and also I want to tell the price of the Perfect Christmas A4 size. It's $3.20 and the motif sheets is $1.20 for the Perfect Christmas, as well as we have 4 sheets in a pack and we have given lots and lots of elements to make a perfect creation. So the total MRP of this collection kit is $1,559. So if you guys are buying this before November 20th, you will get it at you will get it at 1399 and you will get the free shipping. So guys, I repeat, the whole collection kit of Perfect Christmas paper pack A4 size and the motif sheets and It's My Treat 12 by 12, 8 by 8 and 6 by 6 plus the motif sheet, the whole MRP of that paper pack is $1,559. So we are giving you at just $1,399 and you get free shipping before if you are booking before November 20th. And also if you are buying separately, we don't have shipping free. We have some discounts that we will let you know in the stories. And I have also something to share with you guys now. So it's about the DT call. So are you guys there? So 28 people are there right now. 27. Okay, no problem. So guys, about the DT call, I just want to mention many of them have asked me, like they have DM'd me and asked how to join the DT call and what are the necessity, like what is required to join in DT. So I just want to tell that DT call does not mean that you get things for free. It's just all about showcasing your creativity, like whatever you have imagined, it's beyond the imagination. You try to come out with something totally out of the box, and if you meet those things like creativity and perfect use of the paper pack, promoting the brand continuously, and the way you make the product is not, it should be an inspiration project for others. So that is what the DT call is all about, I believe, because I want people to work for me who is doing something beyond the imagination and making something totally out of the box, which is already in the market, is not considered as a unique creation. We need something unique creation. So that is the requirement of the DT call, and we will let you know soon when we are going to announce the DT call. And also I want to mention that whoever has purchased the paper pack from us till date, please use the hashtag Everlasting Memories Paper Packs, so that when we are searching for a crafters like you who are so talented, so we can find you in one particular hashtag, so it will be easy for us to recognize you. So whoever has used bought our paper packs and have created something with that, so use the hashtag Everlasting Memories Paper Pack, both in Instagram and FB. We also have FB group, so you guys can join the FB group and share your creations there made using Everlasting Memories paper pack. All the links are in my bio. So this is the main thing I wanted to announce, that you have to make sure whenever you use our paper pack, use the hashtag Everlasting Memories paper pack. Okay. And one more thing I wanted to mention, that whoever has used our paper pack till date, we are giving a small platform to those crafters, we run a YouTube channel where we showcase their creativity, like their creation using our paper packs. So it means like any orders in future from anywhere through YouTube, it will be directly connected to you, because all the credit goes to you. So if you guys are willing to be in that as well, so you guys can DM me if you have created something. The main thing of this is it should be totally crafted with Everlasting Memories paper pack only then it is considered. So this is the main thing I wanted to announce. So you guys can go subscribe to my channel and have a view of the videos. We have already collaborated with lots and lots of crafters. Their creations are in our channel. And also you can go join our FB group and use the hashtag as I have told. So we will have a DT call soon, maybe in a month or after that, because now we are running one DT. We have just completed 1 month and we are like overwhelmed with the response and the creativity of our DT members. They are doing a great job and have done the great job. So, and also I wanted to mention that we will have so many of the inspiration projects for this new launch will be coming in this week. So stay tuned with us on our Insta handle, on our Facebook, on our YouTube. So all the links are in our in the description, so in the bio, so you guys can go check. And that's all for today. That's what I have to mention. So guys, now any questions you can just let me know. I don't want to bore you guys now, so let me know your feedbacks, everything. So any questions, ready to take, or else I can just end the live. So guys, the offer is till November 20th. I will soon post it in my story as well. So if you guys are planning to buy this paper pack, you can go ahead and you can DM me for the orders. I am in love with the packs. Thank you. It was a lovely launch. Thank you. Love the paper pack and the motifs. Thank you. Superb paper pack. Love the launch. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for joining me. I'm really happy with the response, and special thanks to my guest DT Shruti for making it successful with your inspiration project. And also our DT members, all their projects will be coming in few days, like within Wednesday or Thursday. Within that we will be adding all the projects in our page, so you guys can get lots and lots of inspiration from our crafters, from our DT members. Best till date. Love this launch. Thank you so much, Aditi. So thank you guys. Now I can end. Looking forward to the inspirations. Sure. So guys, thank you so much, and in advance happy Diwali. So stay safe and be safe. So okay guys, I cannot see more comments now, so I can just end the live. So guys, okay, thank you so much. See you soon. We'll have soon a new launch as well, and also a DT call soon. So those things will be keep on posting on our Insta page, so you can just follow us all the time, and you can just DM your questions, anything. If you have missed my live, so you can just DM me over there as well. So okay guys, good night, see you, bye bye.